Myntri Rangbah ke Jelau Kuan Rat Sangmau la Plie ke North East Summit ban Pynduh Jait ke Jingpang TB ne ke North East TB Free Summit hakut yat Mariat hakjing don lang ke Myntri ke Coach ke Kya ke Dr. M. Amperin Lingdo ba Dr. Rodrigo H. Offren WR WHO India hakjing kren Plie Myntri Rangbah ong ba ke Coach ke Kya ne ke la jing sumar ke de ke we ne kikam ba hakmat jong ke sarkar jela ulai turu bakala don ke Jingmang bat jing pelut ke bakam he halor ke tnat ke Coach ke Kya kenang ban yo pen bha ye kikam bakong san ha ke jing ai jing sumar ula ong ba ke jing don bentalang kikin hon rap la de bat kilong kmi kala pen klain ye ke yo ke kot ban pen haru ye ke Coach ke Kya ula pen tibru bakala don ke jing pen slam ban la be Jingpang tuberculosis kam tam e pedeng kilong yeng ki beduk namba kim ju pha le kmi bnya tat hadu ban dala pau ki dakishin bat kala long ke Jingpang ke bejur haba ong ba ke jing khon ye kene ke Jingpang kadang long hak lenti ke bejengai Myntri Rangbah lo ong ba ke jing sim bentalang kisnong ke tau bat kinong shong snong ban ye khon ye kene ke Jingpang ke long ke badan kam ha ban pinlong ya ke jela na ke ri ke balai na ke Jingpang TB kiwe ki bala ai jingkren ki long ke Myntri ke Coach ke Kya u Dr. Rodrigo na ke WHO na ke liang Myntri Rangbah la pelai ru ya ke Meghalaya mobile portable eye based x-ray diagnostic facility kiwe ki bala don ki long Dr. Rajendra P. Joshi DGP Government of India Director Nigrims Dr. Nalin Mehta Secretaries of Health Nagaland Manipur kinong mikmat na kiwe pat ki jela kene ke thain stay lamingi pat ki he officer Coach ke Kya ka sarkar Meghalaya.
We are committed, we will work hard, and we will try to achieve the slogan of the Government of India, which means TB Harega Desh Jeetega. Thank you. Kuble Medina.
I know also that the estimates for TB are kind of consolidated towards a regional figure, but I think we should, when we are on our last mile, we have to find those numbers at every corner. We should have our estimates per state, per district, and we will be happy to support that kind of estimate, that kind of exercise.
As doctors, you investigate, but even as government, as policymakers, as an administration, we need to investigate and realize what is the real cause of the problem. When it came to MMR for Meghalaya, institutional deliveries was one part, but we realized that there was a problem because high-risk mothers did not have the accessibility that they require to the medical professionals or to even an ambulance when they needed it the most. We realized that because of maybe economical engagement of mothers not being enough in society, we were seeing the gap between the birth of two children being very small, like 1 year, 1.5 years, which was very high risk for the mother. And hence, maybe the solution was not just simply the institutional deliveries, but it was economic engagement of the women in our society. And hence that led me to move very aggressively on what we had and what we're doing today, a self-help group movement of women, where in the last 5 years, I had 4,500 self-help groups, but this information and this, the result or the problem that we could see encouraged me to increase the number of self-help groups today from 4,500 today in 5 years' time to 45,000 self-help groups in my state. There is one woman from every family today who is engaged in a self-help group. It's a huge milestone, and these women are today economically active. Remember, there is no solution that is going to work across. You have to adapt the solutions to your needs. And Northeast is very complicated. It's very diverse. We have different practices, different beliefs, different culture, different terrain. And hence, we need to realize all this and ensure that we are able to find solutions by doing detailed analysis of what is the problem. Everything starts with your mindset, your thought, and your belief and your passion. Remember, no matter how many doctors we have, no matter how many nurses we have, no matter how many ministers we have or how many officials we have, if your heart is not in the right place, if your mindset is not correct, nothing can happen. Nothing can happen. So I urge all of you, when we are taking up a mission, let us take it up with full commitment and passion. Let us take it up with a sense of purpose that we will do it, and a determination that we will.